Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Ecwid for photography and camera equipment business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you want to sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free, so you can get started free. So let's get started. Now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. So the first thing here, you have to click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page, here where you're gonna design, customize your site. So first go to the settings, go to the templates, and select here the templates which you want to use for your business. Okay, so if the topic isn't here, or the template which you want to use isn't here, you can just choose a random one like this one here, and you can design it, edit it on your home page. Okay, so the first thing here, you have to go to the header in the menu and change the site logo. Okay, so you have to change the site logo here. You can change the navigation menu, so you have to delete all these menu items, add your own menu items. And the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive, so anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure, don't forget the simple details like the font, and like the size, like the color, and like the spacing, like you can add the frame outline. That's it, like this. So this simple details is important to make your site looks better. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. So of course you have to change the tagline and the title and the description, an attractive description that matches the title. So for example, you can introduce your business to your customers. Welcome to our site for photography and camera equipment. Just like this, simply like this. Of course, if you want to change the image, just go to the browser and search on photography and camera equipment. Okay, so here you can select anyone from this list here of the image. So for example, I need just a simple image like this one. Okay, now go back and change it from your library. Okay, so in the design, also choose your favorite layout. So make sure, don't forget like this the simple details like the style and like the title and this description. You have to change the size. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So nothing special here, so you can here change, you have to change the title and you have to add the subtitle, and the description here you can talk about you have to change it and talk about your product and your business. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? That's it, just simply like this. You have to change, you choose your favorite layout. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. Especially special offer. So here nothing special, you have to change the title, the description. So you have also to change the image, so you can choose a random image from here. So this is depends on your business, like I'm gonna choose this one here, just a random one. Okay, just to, for example. Okay, also the design, you can choose your favorite layout, and don't forget you can change the color and the background, the description. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So here you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard, click here, add your products or services. Now as you see, you have to click here, new products. So here you have to add the product gallery, the name of your product, the ref, the weight on kilogram. You can customize the prices options, and make sure don't forget the simple the description of your product here. Okay, so after you're done, when you're done from this place here, save save it and go back to the editor and complete here the design, background and title, and this stuff here. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. Okay, so we have to change the tagline and the title and the description, everything here. So here in the description you can talk about your experience and what your company offers to your customers, why should they buy from you or use your services. Okay, you have to change this action link, the title. Okay, so that's it. And the design, choose your favorite design. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on to the contacts. So as you see here, you have to change the title and the description. You can use this one here, we are always happy to see you. uh, you have to enter here your business address. You can enter exact postal address or plus code. Also you can enter the daily hours, enter the contact information and the social profiles. And the layout here, I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. And that's it, complete here the design, this sections here. Now let's go back, let's move on the last section here. So you can just enter your company name for the copyright. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, so that's it. After you're done, you can just publish your website. Now your site is published, you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.